So thank you very much for joining us today. As Susie said, my name is Robert Stirling. I'm the CEO of the Network of Alcohol and Other Drug Agencies, or NADA. I'd also like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land that we're all meeting on today. Here in this room, we're on Gadigal land of the Eora Nation. I'd also like to thank Uncle Alan for his welcome to country and his words, and acknowledge any Aboriginal people here in the room with us today. I acknowledge that this land was never ceded, always was, always will be Aboriginal land. And I also acknowledge the devastating impact of the stolen generation and that Aboriginal children are still overrepresented in the child protection system. And to change this, we must truly listen to Aboriginal people, to our Aboriginal colleagues, to ensure that our practice is informed by them. To better serve Aboriginal people and all people involved with child protection and alcohol and other drug services, enhancing partnerships between our sectors is absolutely vital. NADA is the peak body for New South Wales non-government alcohol and other drug services. We represent 100 organisations across New South Wales, providing a range of services from youth services to specialist residential rehabilitation services for women and their children and families. We also provide counselling and outreach programs. Our membership is diverse and extremely dedicated to providing the best support they can for people impacted by alcohol and other drug issues. And it's our members' dedication and NADA's commitment to supporting them to deliver best practice interventions that led us to organising today's forum. Many of our members reach out to us for support around working with the child protection system, and the common theme for assistance is around building better working relationships and collaborations between our sectors. Historically, alcohol and other drug services and child protection agencies have experienced poor working relationships. But this isn't unique to New South Wales, nor nationally, nor around the world. Supporting our members to build partnerships with child protection services has become even more possible since the New South Wales Ministry of Health funded NADA to have a dedicated position to work with our members across to enhance continuing coordinated care. This role was funded because of a need was recognised to support cross-sector collaboration, and we're very grateful to have Michelle Ridley ably filling this role with her experience across child protection and the alcohol and other drug sector. The need to build effective partnerships across different sectors is not new. We've all been talking about it for years, but it's a challenge. Enhancing partnerships between sectors takes time, it takes goodwill across our agencies. We need to build relationships and work with people across sectors that are meaningful and trusting. We need to learn and understand the procedures, the systems, and the different languages that we use across the sectors. By doing this, we can improve outcomes for children, their parents, carers, families, and the communities that we serve. NADA is committed to supporting our members to build effective working relationships with the child protection system, and this forum is just one activity. We acknowledge that a lot of our members, many in the room today, have been providing a lot of great leadership in this area. So I encourage everyone to reach out to their local services and connect, because this is where relationships can really start to make change at the local level. To finish off, I want to thank everyone for their time today, both here and online. I know that you're all busy providing frontline services, and we appreciate you taking the time. I'd like to thank Simone Walker for supporting this work, as well as Daniel, Catherine and Karen from DCJ, who have been working closely with NADA to make this event happen. I'd also like to thank all the speakers and a special call out to Michelle for organising today, and Susie as well for facilitating. So I look forward to more events like today and our continuing working together to build partnerships across our sectors. Thank you very much.